Dear students, welcome to the Utkarsh classes. Dear children, let's enjoy this song.
Quack, 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 a duck can quack, yes, a duck can quack. Bark, 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 a dog can bark, yes, a dog can bark. Buzz, 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 a bee can buzz, yes, a bee can buzz. Jump, 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 a frog can jump, yes, a frog can jump. Run, 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 a horse can run, yes, a horse can run. Mew, 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 a cat can mew, yes, a cat can mew.
Children, did you like this song?
Yes, sir.
Sankar, you say, who can jump?
A frog can jump.
Yes, a frog can jump. Adi, you say, who can bark?
A dog can bark.
Yes, a dog can bark. Thank you. Now let's have a look at these words. Butterfly, camel, monkey, fish, spider, ant, children. Okay, let's take the first word, butterfly. What activities does a butterfly do? Yes, a butterfly can fly. What about the other words? Now look at this table. We will match the column A and B. Let's compose sentences using those words. Some more words for you. Sing, dance, paint, play football, play cricket, cook, read, sleep. Here is the list of those words given on the right side and the list of the students on the left side. We will talk about the likings of the students. Well, Amrita, do you like to sing?
Yes, sir. I like to sing.
Amrita says she likes to sing. Who else likes to sing? Rashmi likes to sing. Suman and Rajat, do you like to sing? No, sir. We don't like to sing. We like to dance. Suman and Rajat like to dance. How many boys don't like to play football?
11 boys don't like to play football.
Good. How many students play cricket and cook?
7 students play cricket and cook.
Who likes painting?
Bapuni and Savita like painting.
Look at these words: Amrita, Suman, Bapuni, Indira. All these nouns are third person singular. Therefore, after the verb like, s is added. ଏହା କେବଳ simple present tense ରେ applicable ହୋଇଥାଏ. However, when there are two nouns or more than two, we never add s or es after the verb. ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କର, Amrita and Rashmi are two nouns. Therefore, like verb pore s एठारे add करा जाय नहीं. Similarly, other sentences follow the same rule. Let's know about the third person singular in details. Most of the verbs take the letter s to form the third person singular. Example: dance, dances, cook, cooks, paint, paints, like, likes, play, plays. Now let's know about first person, second person and third person. Look at this table. First person singular I, plural we. Second person singular you, plural you. Third person singular he, she, it, Mahesh, Amrita, cow, teacher, dog, pen, etc. Plural they. Now we'll know when do we use them. First person when I speak. Second person when I speak to you. Third person when I speak about someone or something. For example, he, she, Ramesh, Amrita, cow, pencil, etc. Example: if I speak to you about Ramesh, I am the first person, you are the second person and Ramesh is the third person. ए सबु आमे मने रखिबा. Dear students, open your workbook, page 22. Read worksheet 18 thoroughly. Answer the questions given below. Some of the questions have already been discussed. A few more questions are added to them. Please try them. Thank you.